Hi guys, so welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year! If you are new on this page, I want you to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button, and I want you to like my videos, share my videos to your family and your friends. And if you subscribe, thank you very much for subscribing, and I want you to keep on sharing my videos so that you get the best from it. And today we are going to do what you call a satin bonnet, a beautiful satin bonnet. So I want you to stay tuned and watch. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
So this is the practical aspect. The length of this satin material, the length is 28, while the breadth 58. Length 28, while the breadth 58. So we are going to fold the material into 4 places. Just watch the way I'm doing it. You fold it into 4 places. You fold it into 4 places. This is the 3rd place now. I'm going to fold it now. This is the 4th place. You fold it into 4 places. You can use a shorter length, you can use a shorter breadth, depending on what you want to do. But I prefer you take my measurement so that this measurement so that it will be okay for you. So when you fold it, it will be in a form of a triangle form. Then the next measurement I'm going to use is 14 length. So from this top, you measure 14 all through. From the top, you measure 14 all through, so that it will be in a cone-like form. So that is what I'm doing now. From the top, I measured 14 all through. Now the parts that we are going to start measuring from is from the parts that are folded, where there is no cutting. The parts that are folded, where there is no cutting at all. So that's where I'm measuring my 14. I'm cutting it out now. So that is after measured it, you cut it. So you discover that yes, then you open it. When you open it, you find out that it's in 2 places. This is for depending on how you want it to be. So it's for this one. I'll just use a cloth. You can set the other one aside and use it later. That's for your practice. Now for one piece of the cloth, I'm going to fold 2 centimeter inches. So you fold it, and you can see I'm using my safety pin to pin it down. 2 centimeter, then you use safety pin to pin it down. 2 centimeter. So that's how you do for everything round. Then the next step to do is to go to the machine, to sew it on the machine. Now when sewing it on the machine, look at how I'm doing it. You pleat it. You don't just sew it round like that. You are going to pleat it in a gathers form. Because you want the shape to come out beautiful. You pleat it in a gathers form. After cutting your material in a circle-like form, you find out that you cut out 2 pieces if you fold it the way I folded it. Then when you try the first one and you don't get it, the other piece you can try it. So that is it. I've pleated everything like you do it in a form of gathers. I'm removing the pin now, the pin that I used to pin them down before. So that is it. After doing it like this, the next step to do is to fix your elastic on it. The elastic will make everything clog together in a way, but it will be to the measurement you want anyways. So that is, you place the elastic on the cloth. You place it on the cloth and you sew. A technique of doing this is that when you are sewing your elastic, you pull the elastic. If you watch very well, I'm pulling the elastic. You pull the elastic with your strength, but don't pull it too much, but you pull it, then you sew it on it. Just try it, you will get it. You pull the elastic and sew it on the cloth, on the fabrics or whatever you want to do, satin or whatever. So you pull the elastic and sew it. So that's all about our satin bonnets. Thank you all for watching. You can do this DIY at your convenience.
And here is the satin bonnet. Here is it. I hope you all understood the video. I want you to try it at your convenience so that you'll be able to do this DIY by yourself. So thank you all. Keep on subscribing. I want you to keep on watching my videos. Share my videos to your family and friends. Please share my videos and like the videos. And I want you to comment so that I'll know you understand the practical that I'm doing. So thank you very much. Have a lovely new year. Bye. See you in the next video.